What's up, my TT babies? It's your girl Tinytye, and today I will be trying the Popeyes chicken sandwich. If you don't know, you can follow me on YouTube as Tinytye, aka TT's Reactions, or you can find me on any other platform: Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram at Tinytye1994. Sadly, I did start drinking my lemonade, but I got like a strawberry lemonade. I did get two of they wraps, which I haven't tried they wraps yet. And then I got they sticky wings. I got my sweet heat sauce. And I got a ranch cup. And then I got a honey package. I was gonna pour my honey on my chicken. And ignore my child in the background because she eating herself, so you can hear her snacking. My chicken wraps at that time, they only had a spicy, a classic, and honey mustard. So I got a honey mustard and a spicy. So I don't know if I want to try it first and then dip it in my sauce, because I know that would be considered cheating. But I don't know. It's like I need to dip it in my sauce, so that's still hot because I heat it up. This one look like the honey mustard, so we're gonna give it a try. So Popeyes chicken wrap. It's actually not bad. Try it in a little ranch cup. Not bad. So I know the next one is spicy. Okay, Popeyes, you did your thing with that. So spicy on top of sweet heat. Let me dip it in some ranch too. And I got a juicy pickle with that one. Definitely got some kick to it. And as you know, I added my honey. Sticky wings is hot still. And then the sweet heat. We're gonna get a little ranch in it. Okay, Popeye. Usually I do they sticky wings, but not bad. I mean, no, usually I do KFC sticky wings, but this is my first time trying Popeye sticky wings. But that was actually tasty. Okay, Popeyes, your chicken wraps was good. Okay. The drink I thought was supposed to be like a new type of lemonade, because usually I always do strawberry lemonade, but if they don't have it, I do regular lemonade. And I thought this was supposed to be like a berry something, but I don't know. She had already gave me regular lemonade. I was like, that's not what we said, but when they fixed it, it did ended up tasting just like a regular strawberry lemonade. So I don't know what's so special about it, but one thing about it, they do be having some smack name. So that is my Popeyes review on the chicken wraps, and it actually was good. I can't wait to smash the rest of it. So like I said, check me out on YouTube at Tinytye, aka TT's Reaction, or any other platform at Tinytye1994. And you are rocking with your girl Tinytye. I love you, and I am out.